Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to Susanna at Home. My name is Susanna and today I thought I would show you what I'm doing. I purchased these pillowcases in a garage sale the other day. It's a pair, and I really like them. However, I didn't see that they were quite worn in the back, like this part right here. This one is okay. However, the other one is falling apart. This one is torn on this side. And like I said, I really like them. I don't want to just toss them. So what I was thinking on doing is out of flat sheets that I don't use. I don't know about you, but I don't use flat sheets. I just use the fitted sheet in my bed, in all of my beds really. And so I'm left with the top sheet. And what I do usually is pillowcases out of them. So what I'm gonna do basically is gonna be a pillowcase. And on the top of the pillowcase, I'm going to sew this all around, so it'll give me a new background for for my pillows to go in. Let's go ahead and get started and see how this goes. Okay, so we're gonna start off by taking the back part of the pillowcase completely off. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut all around here to take this part off. Okay, so I just have the front part of it. Now what I want to do is I want to cut up the piece of fabric that's going to become the pillowcase. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut and take off the seam all around the fabric. Okay, so that's done. We cut all the seams around the fabric. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to cut um, the rectangles for the pillowcases. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, and I think this is going to be perfect if I fold it like so. I'm going to be cutting the top part of it where I'm going to attach this to the front part of the pillowcase or the sham. So I want to leave space about an inch on each side. And let's start cutting. Okay, so this is gonna be the top. And And I don't know if you can see. Let's see. I'm gonna be cutting right here to make it about the same size as this one. So I'm gonna be cutting right around there. Oops, it's too wide on this side. I think that should be good. So these are gonna be the top. Now we're gonna make the back. The backs of the shams. We're gonna make it as straight as possible again. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna cut again on this side. Now the back side, it's not gonna be one complete part. It's gonna be two. Let me show you. Let me show you on my pillow, for instance, on this one. I'm gonna leave this opening so I can put my pillow inside. So it's gonna be two pieces in the back, and they're going to overlap on each side. So what I want to do is this one, it's gonna be good to leave it this wide because they're going to overlap. So we need space for that. And to make the two pieces, I'll just fold it in half and cut it. Okay. So I've made the two pieces for the back. They're going to overlap like this. And once they overlap, they're going to become smaller, and so they're going to be about the same size as the other one. Okay. So this is one part. That's for one pillow, and this is for the other pillow. Okay. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to sew this to my fabric. I'll be using some pins. Okay, so I'm ready to sew. Remember, I'm going to be going all around. It's going to be a lot of noise, so I'm most likely going to remove the audio. I'm going to be going really slow because I want to get under these little fringes. So I'm going to have to move them to a side and sew under. Okay, so I am done with the two. I've already sewn all around and attached the fabrics. I've now have two like these. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the back two pieces. Before we can attach the fabrics to make our sham, we need to hem one side of the fabric. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. These are gonna be the backs that are gonna be overlapping on the back. We need to hem those sides. So let's go. Okay, so we're back. I have my two pieces, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and finish up our put everything together to finish up our sham. And so this is how we're gonna be doing it. We're gonna be putting putting everything together with the help of some pins, and we're gonna be putting our pretty side inside. Like this is our pretty side, and this is our pretty side, the hem. This is the outer layer of the hem. So we're gonna do pretty side with pretty side, and then we're gonna pin all around. So I've pinned both. So we need to go to the sewing machine and finish this up. Okay, so I'm back in on the sewing machine. Let's go. We're gonna start, and we're just gonna sew all around where the pins are. All right, so I'm all done. I'm done sewing, done completely with the sewing. I need to put this right side out, and I'll show you how it looks. This is the front part of it, and that's the back of it. It's a brand new backing. This is where your pillows would go in. I'm so glad I did not just toss these in the trash, because now I have two new pillowcases, pillow shams. Thank you so much for coming along with this project today. I thank you so much for taking time and watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a blessed day. Goodbye.